from the Centers for Disease Control, did I? Okay, I'm not going to take time to do it because I'm just getting too behind, if I will, and I'm already probably behind. But I will send you in an email, because I'm going to have to be sending an email to let everybody know what we're doing here. For those in the 130 classes, especially. I'll give you instructions. The Center for Disease Control has some really awesome maps of the United States that shows the obesity epidemic. It's quite dramatic, but since the computer isn't behaving really well, and I'm short of time, I think I'm going to pass on the maps, and I'll send you a link in an email, and you can look at the maps. They're really quite impressive to see this obesity epidemic. Okay, so take my word for it. Oh, I really should show these maps. In the United States today, we have 2/3 of American adults are either overweight or obese. That wasn't the case 20, 30 years ago. And these maps show you that the rise in obesity has been dramatic. It's like ooh and ahhing. So you can take my word for it. So we're all aware in this class, I'm sure, that there are health risks associated with being overweight or obese. These are the common ones, but there are lots and lots and lots of others. I didn't want to make a really, really long list. I just wanted to highlight some of them and also stress the point that if you're obese and you don't exercise, you're sedentary, that increases your risk even more. Just being sedentary, even if you're thin and sedentary. Sedentary means you don't get a lot of exercise. You don't get a lot of exercise. However, we all hear about this. We all hear about this. But obese people can be healthy. And this is especially important to students in nursing because there is a tendency to assess a person's health by looking at their size. And that's a mistake. That's a mistake. You can be fit and fat, and you can also be sedentary and slim and not healthy. You can be thin and have all sorts of health problems. Just because someone's overweight doesn't mean they're automatically going to be unhealthy. And as future nurses, you should never assume someone's health based on their size. Just like anyone else, you make assessments. You get their blood pressure, you get their blood work done. You ask questions, you find out what they're experiencing and what their health problems are. If they haven't, you don't assume they have them, any more than you assume someone who's thin doesn't have them.